Hello. Hey, real quick. So, if you're using Gmail and you want to add someone to your whitelist so it never goes in the spam or gets lost, what you do is you go to this settings gear. You're either going to have a drop down that says settings and you click on that, or see all settings until you get to this screen. When you get to the screen, you go to filters and blocked addresses. Then you create a new filter. And in this case, it's a email from good old Lou, Lou at Louology.com. You want to enter that there. You'll always have Lou in your life if you create this filter and then click never send Lou to spam. Never ever send Lou to spam. Create the filter. You'll always have Lou in your life like I do. So anyway, I hope you appreciate the video and have a wonderful experience with Louology all around. Thanks. Bye-bye.